May 2020. CLC announced resort closures during the pandemic, but charged customers in full, chalking up unprecedented 2020 profits. September 2020. CLC deny receivership rumours, but announce a pause of timeshare sales. October 2020. Inside Timeshare report predicts CLC's impending administration. November 2020. CLC confirms the end of timeshare sales as their sales companies enter controlled administration. December 2020. CLC confirms the liquidation of various sub-companies. Accountancy firm BDO are appointed as administrators. June 2021. CLC boasts of receiving 2021 TripAdvisor award, despite being closed that year. July 2021. A successful High Court application sees CLC administrators BDO replaced by FRP. October 2021. CLC announced a strategic partnership with Wyndham, revealing no further details. December 2021. FRP granted an extra year to uncover CLC assets. News welcomed by creditors. January 2022. FRP's CLC creditor update is published. February 2022. Media reports emerge revealing CLC's profits during COVID. February 2022. CLC send an email begging members not to sue the company over illegal activity. April 2022. CLC's branding is changed to Wyndham, including the giant seafront signage. June 2022. A former CLC salesman reveals grim CLC sales culture in shocking interview. July 2022. CLC owners rage at decline of the resorts on Facebook. November 2022. CLC's administration officially transitions into liquidation. December 2022. Lawyer Sophia Diaz clarifies what happens when a CLC claim is submitted to the UK liquidation. April 2023. Former CLC owner Josh Buckler shares emotional testimony about his £19,000 compensation payout. August 2023. Roy Perez questioned for email discussing new projects, upgrades and real estate development plans. Amid CLC insolvencies and legal chaos. For more information, get in touch with our team of experts.